it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my June update for I Heart the 90s project pan. This was created by Laura. It is a Pantastic Ladies collab. Started the 1st of January, we'll go through the end of December, and it's all about the 90s. You choose 8 to 10 prompts, randomize, set your own goals, it's rolling style, etc. So I have a couple of empties and then I just have progress on a few other things. So let's start with the first one. I'm not going to say numbers because my numbers are different. Wannabe, a product that reminds you of your best friend. I had brought in 4 of these kind of small lotion samples from like from hotels. That's what I'm trying to say. I have finished one. It fell on the floor and I'm not going to bend over to pick it up. But I am working on the second one. So I finished one and I have 3 left. I don't like this one at all. It's kind of drying. It doesn't have a great smell, but it's almost done. I'm going to finish it. So that is the first one. Second one was Macarena, a Latin-owned brand, and I brought in this. This is It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. Last update, this weighed 157 and now weighs 153. I feel like I'm about halfway, maybe. I don't know, but I just use this when I feel like I need it, or if I can't, like if I feel like I have extra tangles or can't get my comb through, I'll spray this on my ends. And I actually really do like it, but like I've said before, I prefer the whole blends from Garnier better. So that's sticking around. The next one, Thelma and Louise, a duo product. I brought in the Tarte eyeliner. I don't think I've used that at all since the last update. And the reason why is it bleeds. If I get it anywhere close to my inner corner, it bleeds down into my lower lash line and just makes a flooded black mess. So I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with it. I will probably try to get at least some use and just make sure I stay over here, and hopefully it'll be done by the next update. But as of right now, I haven't used it. There's nothing to share with you other than I haven't used it and it floods my lower lash line. Next one is The Simpsons, a product with a yellow product or yellow packaging. It's my first empty, and that's this. This was the MAC Magic Extension Mascara. I mentioned how much I love this mascara. This may be a repurchase. I have 2 full drawers of mascaras, and I have 3 in my kind of painting everyday makeup drawers. So I don't need to buy one anytime soon, but if I had to, this would definitely be on probably around the top of the list. So this is done. Next, Beverly Hills 90210, the most expensive product, and I brought in this. This is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. It was brand new. You can see where I am now. I believe I've used this 2 times since I rolled it in. I mentioned that I only really exfoliate maybe once, sometimes twice a week. It depends on if I've lacked in my skincare or if my skin is feeling extra dry, especially up on my forehead. That's normally where I get my dry patches. Then I'll slather this all over my face. I really do love it. My goal is to finish it. So we have a ways to go. Next, Beanie Babies, a product that reminds you of your favorite Beanie Baby. That is the Vanny eyeshadow, which I have not used. Next, Bop It, a product with packaging that twists, pumps, or pulls. I was like, I don't like this on my face. I'm going to use this on my body. It'll be an empty. Who would know mocking yourself would make you have the yawns? I brought in this. This is the Touch and Sew No Problem Primer. This paired with the one from ColourPop looked awful on my face. But as I used this on its own, I like it a lot. So this will be done by the next update for sure, because I've been putting it on my face every time I do makeup, and my goal is to wear makeup at least 25 times this month. We'll see how we do. But yeah, so this will be gone. I do like it. I just don't like it topped with the Pretty Fresh Illuminator. So that is in to stay. Next, we have butterfly clips, something with cute packaging. I brought in my Misha BB cream, and I had shared the one that had the bear, but I ended up keeping this one instead. I haven't used this at all since the last update, so I am trying to finish this one for Makeup Revolution. I thought it was done a month ago, but it still keeps going and going and going. So once that's finished, then I will concoct my next Franken and we will move on from there. But yeah, I really do like this formula, and this color number 13 is beautiful on me. This is very low coverage. If you're someone who just wants something to kind of even out your skin tone, I would consider this. But yeah, that's not empty. Inflatable furniture, a lightweight airy product. I had brought in this. This is the Tatcha water cream. I've used this up. It wasn't empty. I have like one more use left. I love this so very much. I've actually had to I've been topping this on the Soap and Glory moisturizer that I shared in Child of the 80s. That is supposed to be a nighttime moisturizer. Maybe if you're oily, but not if you're dry like me. So I put that on, it goes, and then this goes on top of it and just makes my skin feel so silky and smooth. I really do like it. I really do like it. But this little tub is $20, so I don't know that I'm going to repurchase it, but if someone wants to gift it to me, I'd say okay. So that is, I'm considering that an empty. Next is Surge Green Product Packaging. That's my Matrix shampoo, and I didn't pull it out because if you listen to my saga in any of my very first videos of the month, we are dealing with issues with our shower. They came yesterday and took out the glass. They're coming tomorrow to, I don't know what they're going to do actually, but so it's kind of hit or miss, and I haven't been reaching for it because I have like 3 little products on the handrail where I sit. Like I've had to put a shower seat in where I sit, and I don't do any more than that because I'm just terrified that I'm going to fall or something. So unfortunately that hasn't gotten any kind of use. And the same one for the next one, which is Dunkaroos, a food themed product. I brought in the the Honey Grail oil from Pharmacy, and I mentioned that once I start my matte foundations, I'll start wearing that as a face primer. So that's everything that I finished, everything that is staying in. Normally I would randomize some prompts, but today I'm just going to bring in a couple. You guys know I'm doing a lot of projects. I'm painting a lot of stuff, and there are a couple of things that, there's like one thing I need to start and another thing that I just want to get done. So we're going to start with the first prompt, which is Rugrats, a product from a brand that you've mispronounced the name, and I'm going to bring in this. This is just a little sample of the Givenchy Irresistible Perfume. I pronounced this Givenchy for probably forever until someone corrected me, which drives me crazy because my husband speaks French, or did. He majored in French in college, and he never corrected me. It's like, why didn't you correct me instead of someone having to correct me? So of course my goal is going to be to finish this, and that shouldn't take any time at all. And then Got Milk, white product packaging. I'm bringing in this. This is the Olay shower lotion. If you watch my Child of the 80s, I'd finished the Nivea. I'm going to go ahead and bring this in for a finish goal. This will probably take a couple of months at best. And like I said, I probably won't start using this until my shower gets fixed. So it may have some progress when we get started. It may not. I have weighed this. So yes, not the most exciting update ever in your life, but I did have a couple of empties. I do have a couple of things rolling in, and I think for my next update, I should have at least a couple of empties and some more progress on everything else. Fingers crossed that I finished that daggum Makeup Revolution. This one, I thought we were like, and maybe we are nearly done. The problem is, I don't know if you guys can even see inside there. I mean, there's not much left. The problem is, anytime I like put my spatula on there and I scrape it off the sides, it's like it just comes right back. So I don't know, but hopefully in the next week or 2, I will get this done and I can start on some other things. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know how you're doing in this project. I'd love to know. I am really enjoying these kind of decade themed projects. Yeah, they're really fun. So if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram. I'm at Misty Pans. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.